Alrighty, this homemade tripod will do. Literally homemade. I'm using a rock and a spray paint. But hello, how was your Tuesday? Yes, I'm coming towards you guys from outside. Beautiful day. It's a little cloudy here in Ohio, but it was in the 60s today, so it's about 60 or so. So figured to take advantage of it as we have rain coming up. So might as well just enjoy it outside. So what I've done so far to this Busch car is I figured out how to drill out these rivets. Hang on, let me get this out so I can. Never mind. I don't know. Try to get it out, but for some reason it wouldn't come out. So I also use these three to kind of help out those I did not really use. I just used the small one. I got my X-Acto knife over here. I'm going to kind of clean out this circle here. A few of you guys were wondering, had some questions. One of you guys said, where do I get my decals from? I'll put a link in the pinned comment if it's not there yet, because I probably did not notice that this video has came out. Right now it's about 7 o'clock here on the East Coast. Sun's going to be setting here soon, so lighting's probably not the best. Sound might not be the best, but trying to enjoy this outdoor weather. Pretty nice. Obviously do not like winter, so pull this out. It's kind of nice to have some summertime. Alrighty. Now I'm going to be starting to undo these 5 rivets over here. Both these pieces, I kind of just set them off to the side. Next, I'm going to get the dashboard out. For these, I haven't done these. My dad did these, so last time. So what I say, just try not to do too much, because then it will go through the car. And you guys might think of this car as familiar. It might be familiar with this car with my Cup series. Well, yeah, it is from my Cup series. I'm taking it apart as I got a new Busch car, so that's kind of nice. But the 2 questions I got were, where do I get my decals from? That's Paddle's Place. That will be the pinned comment. And the other one was, why did I... sorry, I'm like sitting on the stairs right now. Color this bottom of the race car. And it's just for design, and it's to make it look a little bit nicer. So this might be the first car I sell. I have not finished my first car, actually. But... kind of... It's not fully in. There we go. Got it. Yeah, it was kind of loose and wanted to do its own thing, so. Do a little bit. Oh crap. Well, I'll have to figure out how to glue that back together. Yikes. That happened. I was trying to tug at this and try to see if I could pull it off. Clearly the rivet's still kind of there, but yikes. Yikes. Yeah, I'll figure out how to repair that off camera. That's not too great. Oh, let's get back to doing this. No, get this steering wheel out of the way. Alright, got that out. Almost safely in one piece. So, that might not be repairable. But, what I'll do if diecast I do not do the best is going to not sell it for so much. But, I may be able to super glue that back in place or something. But, yeah, that wheel's supposed to go in there. I think I accidentally had a finger on the wheel when I was trying to pull it off. And it won't kind of snap back in place. So I'm going to have to try to figure out how to somehow get that back together. Any recommendations down below, please? Please save me. That's all I gotta say. So, 1 down, 4 to go, and then we may be able to at least spray paint tomorrow. That might be when I spray paint, so that might be a future video tomorrow. This is... I gotta go slowly. Now time to do the front window. And the side window. All out of there. Debris. Trying to get a little loose. That's the one thing. That's my one fear. I just do not want to break the car. Like, this is a good $5 car. I'm just trying to take apart. Obviously, I could just tape the window shut, but I've had terrible experience with that. So, if you guys are trying to do that way, you have to get it pretty perfect, and you have to wait a little while before you try to take off the paint. Or the tape. That's more an experience I've had. So, I got really excited to take it off and just did not work. So I was wanting to come out here. After what happened with the wheel, I'm just scared. Like, scared, man. I just don't know. I'm going to take it out. Because I also... Ooh, my back. Let's put a cap on this before I accidentally cut myself again. Done that before. Painful. Ooh, do I send it? I'll try to do it now. Try to focus here. First time I've actually undone a car. Probably bad to do it on camera. It's one to pop out. Can't handle it. Oh, that's loose. That's loose. Get out, fella. Let's go. Oh man, I got stressing right there. Let's go. As you guys can tell, I'm worried I'm gonna mess this thing up. After what happened to the dash there. Whoop, I dropped something. Nope, I dropped the car. Whew. Let's go. Oh, not an angle. There we go. So we got that off. You guys can tell, I'm really excited. The newbie nerves. Oh, it's already about to pop there. Alright. Alright. Let's continue. Let's continue this same anxiety journey here. Sorry, trying to see where I gotta get this. Alright. You guys are enjoying this video up to this point. Looked at the averages of the other video because I'm trying to see how I can try to entertain you guys to stick around for the whole video. 30% of you guys watched the whole video last time. So you guys that did that, thank you. Just trying to help out if you guys are trying to start doing custom diecast and also follow my journey of trying to do this this unique hobby. Gotta stand up. I'm literally sitting right there. Trying to sit on the side and trying to focus over here and weird angle, but yeah, pants are all dirty now. This out here. Man, I gotta show you. I gotta figure out what size this is. I figured out this thing just shreds. Look at this. Also, when you're sitting inside your X-Acto knife, if you have one, always put the cap on. That's not how I hurt myself, but just before I had that actually happen to myself, like cut myself or something, always put that off to the side with the cap on. Oh, that's getting loose. I can see that it's starting to... maybe a little bit more. You can kind of see that it's starting to rise up. So, getting pretty close. Get all that little debris out of there. Alright, that I saw it start wiggling. That's... Alright, that looks out. Alright. Now, have to do the back two rivets. Yeah, after this I'll try to figure out what size this is, but another size I use that also shreds this thing apart really good is... I don't see the size on this. Well, can't find the size on this thing. They recommend 5/13 or 16ths, I'm pretty sure, 3/16, something like that. Yeah, I forget, I'm sorry. I've just found out what one actually works really well with these rivets. Whoa. about fell off the side there, but it is still good. And if you guys aren't good at making your die cast right away, don't worry. I'm not that great either so far, so you'll find struggles that you need to work on. And right now, for me, it's just painting. As silly as it sounds, I have to learn the patience of waiting on the paint to dry and before I start playing with it and stuff, because I'm excited to start Sabi. I've been past few weeks waiting on my decals to come, working on a few cars, and it's kind of fun. So yeah, you have to learn patience. Oh yeah, here, I'm ready to go. Nice. Oh yeah, Olivia, I messed up. I gotta find a super glue. But the steering wheel. I mean, the steering wheel is not something that people pay attention to, right? I hope not. I'm showing my sister what happened to the steering wheel. I have to figure out how to put that back together. If you guys have any recommendations, please help. This I was planning on selling, so I doubt somebody's not gonna buy it because it has no steering wheel, but hope it's just something minor that I really want. Bye. I think my battery died. Well, I think the battery died. Dang it, I'm so close to finishing this. Come on. Must finish. Car. Must finish. It's so almost ready to pop out. Seriously. Must finish. Must finish. What am I doing? Oh, wait. Wait. There. They're ready to pop out. Let's go, dude. Oh, put the cap on. Not a good role model right there. Oh, there we go. Let's go. All right. Thank God. Dude, I was about to get so mad. I was so close to finishing. And the drill just died. I would have been so mad. Alright. So. Let me take this off of the towel so it's more easier to see what all happened here. So. Show you everything. Once you unscrew the car, it should not exactly look like this because the steering wheel should be attached to that dashboard, but that's what your car is supposed to look like. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Next video will probably be me spray painting this car, and I also wrote a spray paint in here to make it look a little bit nicer. So yeah, that's what you're supposed to have. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys tomorrow. Farting out.